Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by equipping the AK-47 and deciding utility that supports your angle, usually a flash or smoke. Aim for head-level crosshair placement so you reduce aim adjustment time when you encounter an enemy. Once done, verify by phase economy. Buy armor if you can afford it. AK costs $2,700, so prioritize it over heavy nades. Make sure to bind a quick peek key and ready your pre-aim on common choke points before the round begins. You engage based on distance. Tap or 2 3-round bursts beyond 15 meters because the AK's first shot accuracy is excellent. Under 15 meters, commit to controlled sprays while pulling down to counter recoil. Transition smoothly between peaks. Use shoulder peeks to get information and bait out enemy fire. Once you commit, communicate and let teammates throw flashes or smokes to isolate the angle. Make sure to reset your aim after each burst and reposition after a kill to avoid trade losses. Finish rounds by isolating targets and preferring single precise shots for instant kills. You should aim for one-tap headshots whenever the timing and angle allow. Once you've fired, reload during downtime. Never reload mid-peak unless you have cover, and always keep mental awareness of remaining rounds. If you struggle with recoil control or inconsistent hits, go to deathmatch or an aim map to practice the AK spray pattern and burst timing. That focused repetition fixes most execution problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.